About time, English phrase explained. Learn English naturally. Introduction. Today, we explore the phrase about time, used to express relief, excitement, or mild annoyance. About time means, finally. Something should have happened earlier. Core meaning. Example. It's about time you cleaned your room. Everyday usage number 1. After waiting for someone, example. It's about time you got here. Everyday usage number 2. When something you wanted finally happens, example. It's about time we went on vacation. Tone and emotion. Friendly or annoyed, depends on tone, happy. It's about time we had a party. Annoyed. It's about time you paid your bills. Alternate meaning. About time can also mean almost time, example. It's about time for lunch. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. 1. It's about time you started studying. 2. It's about time we met again. 3. It's about time for the show to start. Quick recap. About time equals finally plus should have happened earlier. Can be friendly, excited, or annoyed. Outro and call to action. Practice about time in your daily life. Like, share, subscribe for more English lessons.